Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices were little changed after sliding to a one-month low in the previous session, as US investors assessed prospects of oversupply and talks over a Russia-Ukraine peace deal. Investors piled into long-dated UK bonds, pushing yields down by the most since April, and boosted the pound after UK Finance Minister Rachel Reeves's budget helped alleviate some concern about Britain's long-term finances. S&P Global downgraded its rating of Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, citing an increase in higher-risk assets in its reserves and persistent gaps in disclosure. Tether said it strongly disagrees with the characterization presented in the report.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.